This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Titan rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench, extension, and a set of sockets, typically ranging from 10mm to 21mm. Next, disconnect any electrical connections to the license plate lights and any parking sensors. Finally, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface, and consider using jack stands for added safety during the process. Now, let's detach the bumper fasteners. You'll typically find 4 main bolts on each side, securing the bumper to the frame. These are often 21mm or 19mm bolts. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove them. Be sure to support the bumper as you remove the last few bolts to prevent it from falling. Also, check for any smaller screws or clips that might be hidden. With the main bolts removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully unplug the wiring harness for your license plate lights. If your Nissan Titan has parking sensors, you'll also need to disconnect their wiring. These connections usually have small tabs that you press to release. Take your time and gently release any clips that secure the wiring to the bumper itself, ensuring no wires are pulled or damaged. Finally, with all fasteners and electrical connections completely free, you can now carefully remove the bumper. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step, as the rear bumper can be quite heavy and awkward to handle alone. Gently slide the bumper straight back and away from the vehicle. Once removed, place it in a secure location where it won't be scratched or damaged, ready for reinstallation or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.